So look what I woke up to. Yeah. There they are. Came in here and these three were in a little feather puddle. But I'm not sure. I haven't been seeing the other eggs like wiggling like they were last night. Yeah, that one looks messy. But see there, that one's chipped a little bit, but it's like it stopped. I was hoping it was just resting, but I haven't seen it in a while since I've been up. Like these guys, they're so tired. So here's the thing, is that black one, because we're gonna have orange and black from the big eggs. Well, none of the silky eggs have seemed to break through at all, which makes me sad. I thought they were going to be the first ones, but it doesn't seem that way. And last night, actually this one right here in the front was chirping. That silky was chirping. I saw it wiggle and heard it chirping from in that egg. But I made it until like 5, and then I wanted to go. I tried sleeping with the bunny a little bit, and then I went to the couch because, yeah, the cats didn't let me go to the bedroom. They're like, "What is going on, Mama?" And so I had to doze on the couch for less than an hour. And then when he woke up for work, I went in there with him while he was, before he went to work, and then I fell asleep. And yeah, fell asleep for a few hours, woke up to this 3 little guys. Like, I hadn't even seen them peck. Like, I'd heard them pecking from the inside, but I hadn't seen any. Wait, I think that one moved. I think the one with the peck hole moved a little bit. Now I'm paranoid because it could just be them shifting the eggs. But I think the one in the back there also has been wiggling. So since there's a little black baby, tuxedo even, isn't she cute? But since she's there, yeah, that means that she is the baby of our Jersey Giant and our Bantam Cochin. And since she's got the tuxedo look, that's the look. Well, they both had that actually. So, I don't know. She might turn into Birchin like him, or she might be Jersey Giant. We'll see. But she is small like he is. And the one behind her actually took and was putting his head back in his shell, trying to sleep with his head in his shell, like, let me back, put me back in. Mistakes were made. Is that where it... No, that's the egg they broke out of. Oh my goodness. Well, I wish the eggs would start hatching more, but we got 3 so far, y'all. Yeah, is that one wiggling or is he wiggling it? Hey, baby. Can you pick your sister out of there? Help her get out? Tell her to come on out. See, little Pillar has a shell stuck to her neck on the back. This is the chick update. It's raining outside. I left the Silky Mamas locked up in their barn, and they're probably very unhappy about this. Marshmallow's probably very unhappy about this. Dude. Your sister's in there, you know. Ugh. Oh, man. It's just rolling that one around. Alright, well, they say it's nap time. Yeah. There's the babies. Let's go. Look at Bunny eating. So, what do you want? Oh, there's a sticker stuck in my skirt. Man. Wearing a skirt, the Bubba Kitty loves to swap my skirt and then he's stuck in it. He doesn't take his clothes out. And then I'm sitting there trying to, you know, walk through the house and I have a cat attached to me. It happens like 10 times a night. Then when I wear the skirt outside, I get it. Who was that? I think that might have been the turkey actually. Oh yeah. Sure, chirp chirpy. I have to think of the candy names. But the candy names are really for the Silkies, and I don't know what color those are going to be yet. Do I name the first one Tootsie? Or Tootsie Roll? Need more candy name suggestions, guys. There are orange ones. Yeah, the mamas and daddies are really loud outside. I'm gonna make sure that the turkeys haven't gone over. Yesterday there was a siren ambulance going down the street and the turkeys gobbled to it. Going back to the chickadees. They're trying to get comfortable. What is going on? Oh, it's just not enough space. Are you guys okay? That wore you out again. Oh, I'm so sleepy. Oh, yeah. I'm sleeping on your sister. Oh. Jeez, you guys look tall. I don't want to leave y'all in there too long. We're not supposed to open it until everybody hatches. Oh, so sleepy. And you got so many eggshells in your way. Yeah, next time I'm doing a dry hatch, so I'll be able to take eggshells out, take out the ones that are ready, and move them to the brooder. I didn't know about that and followed the first directions. So, yeah. You have to watch them, and they don't need food yet, so they just need to rest up, get energy, and talk their brothers and sisters into coming out. Can you help them? Tell them they need to come out so you can come out? Like, I can sleep if I didn't have the shell poking me. I'm gonna cover y'all back up. I know, I need to cover up and sleep. I really wish y'all would get the siblings out. Oh, I hear your mama and daddy. I do, I hear your mama and daddy out there. Nap time on the egg pile. Trick or treat, y'all. We got our black and orange babies. So excited. So cute. I can't wait to cuddle you. I want to cuddle it. Peace, love, and chickies.